My name's Ruel. I'm a pilot plant and process technologist, and I get to work with machinery that wouldn't look out of place in a Transformers film every day. It's my job to make sure that the equipment and the machines that we have that create food are working and safe for product technologists to achieve lower salt content, sugar content, and to work their magic and put food on the shelves. So the thing I think I'm most proud of is being able to use this giant piece of kit we've got called the S3 agglomerator. So it spans 2 stories high and it works by pulling air through, making dry stuff go like this, wet stuff coming in this way, creates granules, and you get a product at the end. And to be able to use that kit on my own, unsupervised, competently, is something I am extremely proud of. I've got the best job in the world, hands down. I won't ever let anyone tell me otherwise. Whether it's working with people, equipment, machinery, but I think ultimately knowing when you go to the supermarket and you see a product in there that you've helped to develop, that's really rewarding.